Hello, this is KeefCooks. I'm Keef, and today I'm going to do something a bit Indian, a bit Anglo-Indian. I'm going to make chicken korma. We think of kormas as being like really mild, almost no spicing, suitable for babies, but they don't have to be. They can actually be quite hot. However, what I'm going to do today is quite a mild one. So if you enjoy it, press like. Okay, let's go. Ingredients for the chicken korma, possibly not as many as you would expect. One chicken. I'm going to use probably one breast, one leg, one wing, maybe a bit more. But the key thing is you don't want any skin. Bones are okay, but skin, not nice. Also, I'm trying to make this kind of low fat, low cal. Yeah, really. So I've got a large medium onion. I've got 250 ml of coconut milk. This says it's light coconut milk, so that's cool. A couple of chilies, a red one, a green one, just for colour. These are mild ones, and I probably won't use the seeds because that's, where a lot of the heat is. A handful of fresh coriander, cilantro, 50 grams of almonds. I'm going to blanch these, and a couple of teaspoons of minced garlic and a couple of teaspoons of chopped up ginger. I usually try to get a mixed paste because it's just easier to deal with, but I couldn't get it. Bit of cinnamon, couple of, 3 bay leaves, teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 cardamom pods, and 4 cloves. I don't know who works these things out, it's not me. Probably some salt and pepper to season as well. Okay, first thing to do, chop that chicken up. Okay, so I'm going to take the leg off. And separate the thigh and the drumstick. I don't know if there's going to be much to be gained by keeping the bone in because we're not going to cook it for that long. But we do need to get the skin off because that just goes flabby in gravy. And also, it's where the fat is, so we're trying to avoid that in this one. I'll just remove this breast, and now I need to take the wing off. So get rid of the skin again. But I'm going to take this other leg off, so because we need a bit more meat. Right, there we go. So that's to go in the curry. I'll take that other breast and wing off. So I'll use the breast for something else. The wing will go in the stock along with the carcass. Right, so I've cleaned up all the chicken stuff. Now I need to blanch these almonds. So pop them in a bowl. I mean, it's perfectly fine if you want to keep the skins on, but I don't. So I'm boiling some water and just pour in enough to cover those. And after a couple of minutes, drain them and pop them in a bowl of cold water for another couple of minutes, and then they should be easy to just slip the skin off. Now I need to top and tail and peel the onion and then chop it finely. I'm just going to squash the cardamom pods and then thinly slice the chilies. There's not many seeds in this one, so just remove what I can. And when you've done that, get rid of the seeds and the bits and bobs. Give your hands a good old wash. Don't touch your eyes or any sensitive bits of skin. Now we'll start cooking the curry. So I've got my hot plate and stainless steel frying pan. I'm going to heat up some oil, a good glug of oil. Not ghee because we're trying to keep the calories down. Ha ha ha. So add the bay leaves, the cinnamon, the cumin seeds, the cloves and the cardamom. And about half the almonds. And we'll just let those sizzle and pop for a few minutes. And then we'll add the onion, let that cook gently till it's softened but not brown. Add some more oil if you think it needs it. I think it does. Now we'll take the spices and the onion and everything out of the pan. Pop in a bit more oil, heat that up. Then we put the chicken in to brown gently for a couple of minutes. Then we add back all the spices and the onion and the ginger garlic paste and the chilies. Let those cook for a minute or two, and then we'll add the coconut milk. Stir that well and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. Right, we've been simmering for about 10 minutes. So I've removed the cinnamon stick and the bay leaves, and I'm thinking there's not a lot of liquid there, so I'm going to put the rest of the can of coconut milk in and continue cooking. I might put a lid on this. Okay, time's up. So there's our korma. It looks pale and uninteresting. It is meant to look pale, but so I just added half a teaspoon of turmeric. Yeah, that's looking better. And taste. Actually, a bit of salt and pepper. Oh yeah. I did chop up some of the coriander and throw that in earlier, and the rest of it is garnish. Right, we're done. Serving time. So a few shout outs. First of all, this was requested by Ray Pearson quite a while ago, but I finally got round to it. And also to my biggest fans, Michelle and Blair. Yeah, and that was requested by your friend Andrew Pollock. And a shout out to Black Hamish, who made a donation via PayPal a few weeks ago, which was much appreciated. Thank you, mate. Taste test time now with Mrs. KeefCooks.
And I'm in La Casa de Perro on account of I've just finished work half an hour late. So we're having the authentic MasterChef cold taste test, aren't we?
Delicious. Oh.
Sorry, hon. Ooh, I can see all the garlic. Almonds. Oh, I like it.
So I've got a few lightly toasted almonds as garnish, and also some chopped coriander.
That's good though. Ooh, the chilies. Oh yeah. All sorts of good things.
Oh, go on.
I had an idea that korma was a mild one.
It is.
But why has it got chilies in it then?
Because it has. It doesn't have to be completely bland.
No. I wasn't suggesting that for a moment. Oh, actually, do you know what? Here, I'll get some from right inside. Oh, the chicken is really hot at its core. It's lovely. But there you go, peeps. Even half an hour later and it's been back in the micro. It's still worth eating.
Yeah. All right.
Well, with more sauce. Should we have some dinner?
Okay, I've stopped sulking now. So that was low fat, low calorie chicken korma. Thank you for watching and see you next time.